Your girl is due for girl maintenance. Get ready with me to get my hair done. So hi guys, I'm back. I decided to take a shower as well after washing my face and brushing my teeth and also I just suffer a lot from hyperpigmentation. You can see how my neck and my skin looks like two color. But anyways, I already showed you guys on a previous clip, just a short clip of what I'm gonna be wearing. A really super comfy t-shirt that I love to be in when I'm home. I'm gonna be wearing the biker shorts and yeah.
Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work for.
Few moments later.
Boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, yeah, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, baby. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me high.
So this is what ended up happening, right? As you saw on the previous video, I ended up doing my hair because my niece was here. I'll leave the description and everything below. I think I mentioned that already, or I didn't, I don't know. But thanks for watching until this time. Please do like, comment, subscribe, comment. Let me know what I can do best, what I can improve. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.
Can't ball in my life, man. Go on with it, go on with it.